Welcome to WooCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using WooCommerce app. In this video, I will show you how to integrate WooCommerce to Etsy using WooCommerce for more efficient multi-channel management. Let's start with how to connect WooCommerce to Etsy. First, on your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Plugins section, click Add New Plugin, and search for WooCommerce. Then, beside the WooCommerce multi-channel selling tool for WooCommerce logo, click Install Now and Activate. After that, scroll down the sidebar menu, hold over WooCommerce and select Marketplace Integration. Here, click on Click Here to connect your WooCommerce store with WooCommerce. Once connected, you will be redirected to the WooCommerce app where your WooCommerce store will run as the main store. Now, let's choose Etsy as your sales channel. Click Connect under the Etsy logo, enter your store name, and click Connect your account. Then let WooCommerce access your store data. Once finished, you have successfully connected WooCommerce to Etsy. Now let's move to step 2, list and import products on Etsy. In this step, I will walk you through 3 cases when listing products on WooCommerce and Etsy. Case 1, list WooCommerce products on Etsy. Once you've connected WooCommerce to your WooCommerce store, our tool will automatically import your WooCommerce products to the All Products section. To list products from WooCommerce to Etsy, select the items. Click on Select Section and List Products to Channels. After that, check the box beside your Etsy store and finally click Add as Drafts Now. After that, you will see these products in the Etsy Store tab. As you might know, Etsy may require more product details than your WooCommerce store. Click on the product to review and edit it before publishing. Here, you can optimize your product title, description, and images. You can also adjust pricing and set up product categories and shipping details for your product on Etsy. Once your listing is ready to go live on Etsy, click Save and Publish to Etsy. Then, you will see that listing draft on your Etsy shop. When selling on WooCommerce and Etsy, you might also have products on Etsy and want to list them back on WooCommerce. Let's move to Case 2, import products from Etsy and list on WooCommerce. On the Etsy Store tab, click on Import from Etsy. Here you can select the options as you want, like auto-link products, re-import deleted products, or filter products to import. Once finished, click Begin Import. Wait a few seconds and your Etsy listings will appear in the active section. To list products on WooCommerce, choose the product and click Select Action, then Create on WooCommerce. After that, switch to your All Products tab and you will see that listing with the source from your Etsy shop there. Now, let's move to Case 3. You currently have the same products on both WooCommerce and Etsy and want to link them together. If you allow WooCommerce to automatically link products on WooCommerce and Amazon, the linked products will be marked with a blue dot. Otherwise, products that are not linked will have a red dot. To connect the unlinked listing, hold over the red icon and click Link to a product. WooCommerce will then suggest matching items. Click Select next to the matching item to link them. Once the product is linked on both channels, you will see the red icon change to blue. The last step is to set up WooCommerce Etsy Sync. This will help keep data consistent across channels. In your Etsy store, go to Channel Settings, and you will see the syncing options. Enable Price Sync to automatically update the price on Etsy to match the price of the linked product on WooCommerce. You can also choose to increase or decrease the price of all synced listings on the channel by using price rules. Similarly, you can turn on WooCommerce Etsy Inventory Sync to keep your stock quantity always updated on both channels. Moreover, inventory rules can help you adjust the Etsy stock with a specific percent of available WooCommerce inventory. Or you can set maximum or minimum stock quantity. Now, let's scroll down to the Order section to set up your order settings. Turn on Import Orders to Main Store if you want WooCommerce to pull your Etsy orders into your WooCommerce store. This allows you to conveniently manage all your orders in one single place. However, please notice that, due to Etsy's restrictions, certain order details cannot be imported for new integrations in the US, Canada, and Turkey. Additionally, you can enable SKU Sync, Title Sync, or Description Sync as you want. These options help you keep your product information consistent across both channels. Finally, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to save the features you've set. And that's how to integrate WooCommerce with Etsy to reduce your manual efforts when selling on multiple channels. Want to expand your sales channels to TikTok Shop, Amazon, or eBay? Go to Add or Manage Channels and choose the platform you want to connect with. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or contact our support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.